young and I'm foolish. I've made bad decisions. I block out the news, turn my back on religion. Don't have no degree, I'm somewhat naive. I've made it this far on my own. But lately these things ain't been getting me higher. I lift up my head and the world is on fire. It's dread in my heart and fear in my bones, and I just don't know what to say. Maybe I'll pray, maybe I'll pray. I've never believed in you, no, but I'm gonna pray. I'm gonna pray. Oh, I've never believed in you, no. You won't find me in church, reading the Bible. I am still here and I'm still your disciple. I'm down on my knees, I'm begging you please. I'm broken, alone and afraid. I'm not a saint, I'm more of a sinner. I don't wanna lose, but I fear for the winners. When I try to explain, the words run away. That's why I am stood here today. Oh, I'm gonna pray, pray, pray for a glimmer of hope. I'm gonna pray, pray. I've never believed in you, no, but I'm gonna. Won't you call me? Can we have a one-to-one, please? Let's talk about freedom. Everyone prays in the end. Everyone prays in the end. Oh, won't you call me? Can we have a one-to-one, please? Let's talk about freedom. Everyone prays in the end. Everyone prays in the end. I'm gonna pray, pray for a glimmer of hope. I'm gonna pray, pray, pray. Maybe I'll pray. I've never believed in you, no, but I'm gonna pray.